Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Lemon8 app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and then you're looking for Lemon8 app. Or just click on search. Then here add Lemon8, it's going to show for you like this. You click on it. So then you come to this list, you click on force stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store, just click here on Play Store. You search here for Lemon8 app, it's going to show for you like this. Then you will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.